Introducing the skyVac vacuum, an internal high-level backpack vacuum with battery power. Weighing under 7 kilograms and made with a padded harness, this vacuum was created for portable and versatile cleaning in challenging locations. Clean areas such as stairs, lifts, tight seated areas, public transport or large venues with ease, with 2 convenient batteries. This vacuum has 890 watts, 3,408 litres per minute airflow and 98 inches water lift. Included as standard is the skyVac vacuum with battery power, a floor tool head, 2 suction hoses, a HEPA 13 fleece filter bag, a 2-in-1 crevice nozzle with brush ring, a parking hook, 2 lithium-ion batteries, a quick charger, a range of tool holders and brushes, and a carry bag for poles and accessories. Please note your poles may arrive separately.